Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your Evernote account, complete guide step by step clearly. To reset your Evernote account, start by opening your web browser. Go to the Evernote login page at evernote.com. If you are already logged in, log out of your account. Click on the Forgot Password link located below the password entry field. You will be prompted to enter the email address associated with your Evernote account. Type in your email address and click on the Send Reset Link button. Check your inbox for an email from Evernote containing the password reset link. If you do not see the email, check your spam or junk folder. Once you find the email, click on the password reset link. You will be redirected to a page where you can create a new password. Enter your new password in the specified fields. Make sure to use a strong password that you haven't used before. Once you have filled in your new password, click the Submit button. After your password has been successfully reset, return to the Evernote login page. Log in using your email address and your new password. You should now have access to your Evernote account with the new password. If you encounter any issues, check the help section on the Evernote website for further assistance. You have now completed the steps to reset your Evernote account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.